Hey guys on YouTube, it's Tim's vlog channel back here, and I thought today I want to start a new series about detailing cars since summer's basically here and everyone wants to wash their car, detail their car, whatever. So I actually have some tips I can use and show you that I've learned from the years of detailing cars. First today I think I want to show you rims and tires. A couple of things that I usually do, products that I buy. So stay tuned and enjoy. Here is a couple of cheaper options you can use. I paid $6 for this no scrub all wheel cleaner, the Black Magic brand, and I think I paid pretty close to about $4 or $5 for this tire foam at Walmart. But they are really good products. I used to use Black Magic for tinting windows back in the day when everyone thought it was cool. But the turtle wax I've never had a problem with. I've always used it. So we're gonna try it out on this tire over here and see how that goes. It's pretty dirty. It's not like really bad because it was somewhat recently cleaned, but we're gonna prove it. Alright, so I've got my products right here. And then also don't forget to have some shop towels around, your microfiber cloths. They definitely do help. So, I need to make sure this is on. Alright. Now I'm just going to spray the whole rim. And then I'm going to let it sit for a while. Alright, now that we've been letting the formula sit on the rim, I'm just going to go ahead and start wiping it away. And then you do want to make sure you get all the inside of the rim and as much as you can. Definitely took a shine to the rim a little bit, I can tell. Make sure you get the lug nuts and any of your places that you can reach, get your hand in there, try to wipe some of it down. Alright, now for the foam, we're just going to spray it around in a circle. Try and get as much of it as you can. And if you're missing any spots, just go back and fill it. We're going to let that dry. We're going to come back with a different towel and wipe it all down. So as you can see, there's white stuff all around it. Now we're going to take the bigger microfiber cloth right here. It's going to go around the tire, just like that. You also wipe off that excess that you got on the rim, just to make sure you don't want the rim looking bad or something like that with that on it. But yeah, go around, make sure you got it all, and you got yourself a really nice looking rim and tire here. And it preserves the life of the tire really well when you put that stuff on. So I am going to show you another vehicle rim and show you the difference. Alright, this is the other rim I wanted to do. It's off a Jeep Grand Cherokee. So you can tell it's definitely way dirtier than the other one because I recently had to drive down a dirt road, gravel road, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to show you how this looks after this is complete. It's in for about 5 minutes or so. So I'm just going to start wiping it away. And with mine, I have a little more cracks on the side here, so I'm just gonna try and get whatever I can off of it. I'd say that's pretty good for most of it. Definitely brings a shine to it. Now we are going to spray the tire foam, and just like before, go in a circle. Just like that, and then cover whatever else you miss. Should be good to go. And we'll let that sit for a bit, and we'll come back and see what the finished product looks like. Alright, so we're going to spray the black magic on the rim. That's probably good. Now we'll let it sit. Alright, here's the products again. So again, this is the Black Magic No Scrub. Technically you don't need to use a rag to wipe it off, but I prefer to do that. Makes it so I know it's been cleaned. And then we also got the Turtle Wax Tire Foam. I'd give the wax about a 9 out of 10. I'd give this about an 8 out of 10. They work really well. They cleaned up all the grime, all the brake dust. So yeah, definitely go out and buy it and try it for yourself. Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. Stay tuned for more detailing hacks, information, whatever you want to know. So we'll see you on the next one.